So right now we're gonna learn how the two-dimensional arrays function without declaring anything yet in a C program. So let's see. Two-dimensional arrays are divided into columns and rows, and this is an example that I choose. So we have 3 rows here. 1, 2, 3. 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with this one. We have 6 columns and 3 rows. So, and finally we have 18 elements in the whole group. See? All this. 18 elements. We get this by multiplying 6 times 3. It's 18. So here I have a one-dimensional array. How it looks, it's just a column instead of being 6 and 3 rows. It's just 1. But if we divide this as we have here, it would be that we have 5 in each one, right? Because there are 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. So this one will be P1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P3. Perfect. Sorry. Okay. But what happens when to get the rows we have a formula that we need to use. It's an equation. So we want to get how many rows we have, even though we have it right now because we're looking at it. We have a formula. So the formula goes like this. Row equals index. Index is the table itself. Divided by columns, by the number of columns. By the n columns. So let's solve this equation. We don't know how many rows we've got. So the index is 18. Divided by number of columns, we have 6 columns. So the equation 16 divided by 6 is 3. So rows equals 3. As we have it right here. Sorry. I'm gonna move this thing a little bit. Perfect. We have it here. So the same formula applies for columns, but in this case, instead of rows, it will be columns. We have the index divided by number of rows. So it's column equals index, equals 18 divided by 3. And 16 divided by 3 is 18. So column equals 6. And as we have it here. Perfect. So these two gonna change colors. This one is gonna be green and this one is gonna be colors. Okay, perfect. This is the equation for rows and this is the equation for columns. I love this by the elements. But that's not it. Whenever we want to get the position of a number, calling it by that, we have another formula for the index to know in which position we have it. So for example, this equation goes like that. Index equals row times n of column plus column. Okay. This equation to get where in the table we want to find the position. So we don't know yet the index, but for example, we want to get number 5 in here. Okay, so this is our goal. We're going to change its color. Perfect, so 5. To get this, we need the row. Remember that when you declare an array, for example, it always starts with 0 instead of 1. And here is the same case. So P1 equals P0, P2 equals P1, P3 equals P2. Okay, so that's the way we're going to use it, with the equal. So the row, where if we are looking for this 5, I think I'm going to change colors because I don't. Okay, they highlighted. It's in row P1, so it's in row 1 times the number of column. It is in column number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. It's in column 3 plus, it's number of column, it's the total one, that's 6, plus the column in which the number is positioned, that's in column number 3. So index equals 1 times 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So it is in position 9 here. So if we count it, it's gonna be 9 in here. But also we can use this table. So the position sets that's in row number 1 here. Number of column 6 plus 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 here. We highlight it and we can count it. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So here is our position 9. That's 5. So that's a formula to find where is the number we want to do. Don't forget that it always starts with 0, not 1 like this one. So this, the P1, P2, P3, they equal 0, 1, and 2. So it's a position 1, position 3. It's where our number 5 is located. Okay, so that's it for the explanation about the equations we've got to find where in the whole array, to call it like that, is located the number we want. This is usually used for a bigger amount of numbers, so we don't have to be looking by eye where to find our number, our name, or everything. This, the green formula, the green formula, the yellow formula, and the blue formula are used to do that, so that we can find how many rows, how many columns, and where in my index I'll find the number I want. So thank you very much for watching.